Celery. Celery is a noun that refers to a vegetable with long, crisp stalks and green leaves. It belongs to the Apiaceae family and is commonly used in cooking, particularly in soups, stews, salads, and as a garnish. Celery has a mild, slightly bitter taste and a crunchy texture. Here are a few examples of how celery can be used in sentences. 1. I like to add chopped celery to my chicken noodle soup for extra flavor and crunch. 2. Would you like some peanut butter with your celery sticks? 3. The recipe calls for 2 cups of diced celery, along with carrots and onions. 4. Celery is often used as a natural remedy for high blood pressure. 5. She enjoys snacking on celery and hummus in the afternoon. 6. The chef garnished the dish with a few celery leaves for a pop of color. In these examples, celery is used to describe the vegetable itself, its culinary uses, health benefits, and how it can be incorporated into meals.